Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PVCT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as recalled, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. This question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying, no, today the price didn't really make a good move. Everybody would agree from where it was at the beginning of the day to where it closed. Good, solid price movement. But that does lead into the question. That's a pretty bad looking question mark. But anyways, that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price action? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 0.021. Why is 0.021 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.021. If the price were to close below it, or worse yet, separate to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. You'd have this previous set down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. As time goes by, they're going to progress in that upwards direction. So 0.021, that's just how I'm defining the word progress. Showing progress to me defined as 0.021. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue and just fight forward, where are some of these potential areas of resistance? At this point in time, it's really all about, I guess technically speaking, it's a little less than 0.026, but I'm just going to round up to 0.026. If you want to be exact, it looks like 0.0258, but I'm just going to call that the next key level of resistance. When you look closely here, you can see quite a bit of the price congestion right around that area. So that's definitely going to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.